Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create an Amazon Prime Video account from your computer. It only takes a few minutes, so let's get into it. First, open your internet browser and go to amazon.com/prime. If you're brand new to Amazon, you'll need to set up an account first. So, hover over the Hello, Sign In, Accounts and List button in the top right. You'll see a link that says Start Here next to New Customer. Click that, then enter your name, email, and password. Hit continue and boom, your Amazon account is created. Next, once you're signed in, hover over the Hello, your name button again. This time, click Prime Membership in the drop-down. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts. You'll see a couple of membership options. In the US, Prime is $14.99 per month or $139 if you pay yearly. And if you qualify, Amazon also offers a discounted membership at half the price, with the same benefits like free delivery, exclusive deals, and of course, Prime Video. Now, go ahead and add your payment information. Enter your credit card details, confirm your billing and shipping address, and then continue. You'll usually start with a free trial, and once that ends, Amazon will automatically bill you for the plan you picked. And that's really it. You've now created an Amazon Prime account and unlocked Prime Video, along with all the other membership perks. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. I'll see you in the next one.